respectful request to the Commission on Audit. There was no intention, Your Honor, to demand from them or to order them or to commandeer them into something that they did not want to do.
Now, isinight in contempt ng Kamara ang kanyang right-hand person at idinetine sa batasang pamansa that time.
I'm sorry, Attorney Lopez, no, dahil ikaw yung nakapirma dito, and according to our rule, one of the reasons on the is the undue interference in the conduct of proceedings. So may I move, Mr. Chairs, na nag-violate si Attorney Lopez dito sa ating proceedings or do sa ating trabaho. May I move to cite Attorney Lopez in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Doon dinalaw siya ni VP Sara in accordance sa mga sinasabi niyang dadalawin niya at sasamahan niya kung sino man sa kanyang staff ang madedetine. After tangkaing ilipat si Attorney Zuleika Lopez from the Batasang Pamansa to a women's correctional facility dahil sa disturbance na idinulot umano ni VP Duterte in the middle of the night, nang galaiti at nagtuloy-tuloy na nga ang crash out ng